This is a quick how-to of how to easily fit the front wing to the X1 because the front wing is often removed for loading the car onto a trailer. The car can have a huge approach angle once the front wing is off because there's zero overhang out the front of the car. So it's quite handy for getting onto trailers with steep ramp angles. So it's quite obvious. You've got 4 mounting points, very simply, 4 mounting points, 2 bolts per side. So it's very self-explanatory. The trick is just getting those bolts started at the track can be kind of tricky. So the trick is pick up the wing by the framework there, in over the battery box. It can be good to potentially put your foot under the leading edge of the wing to sort of hold it up. And then you can reach in over the steering rack here and control the height at the other end with your hand, sort of there. But basically you are just pushing this thing in, and sometimes easier said than done, but trying to get these bolts started. The bolts are spigoted on the end of the bolts, so they sort of lead themselves in. You can get them poked in and then start the thread, so that's quite handy. So I start with the top 2. Bottom one, a bit of an up and down, a bit of a jiggle, so it's obvious stuff, but the trick being the holding it from, say, here with your foot under the front, and the hand over the top to keep the back up, because if you're holding it like this, you've got no hand left to put the bolts in. Ratchet, one of these electric ratchets is awesome for the job. Nip them up. At the end, the front wing's on nice and solid. The bolts don't need any Loctite or anything. In fact, they're better off with some anti-seize or grease on them because they come in and out a fair bit. And that's as simple as that. Removal, obviously the same thing in reverse.